Hi and welcome to BodyCamera.co.uk. Today we're taking a closer look at the Hytera VM685 body camera. As you can see, the VM685 has a front-facing screen and rotatable lens. This is proven to diffuse volatile situations as the subject can be made aware that they're being filmed and will modify their behaviour accordingly. The VM685 also features a 6-digit pin lock, which means access can be restricted for files held on the device. Only administrators with a password will be able to edit or delete the files. Along with these features, the VM685 also has a whole host of functions that you'd expect to find in any professional body cam, like time and date stamp and automatic night vision. Any footage captured on your Hytera body camera can be securely managed using Hytera's smart MDM software solution. For more information or to book a demonstration, please feel free to call on 0121 456 7800 or visit bodycamera.co.uk.